what can go wrong? Well, a number of things. First of all, nobody goes into litigation, generally speaking, with the intention of losing. So somewhere along the line, there has been either a view expressed or some advice given that there are enough prospects of success to justify proceeding with the case. But look, the reality is, if two parties are fighting and you go to a court for a final decision, generally speaking, one side's going to win and one side's going to lose. So for that losing party, it's pretty disastrous. They'll have costs which they're never going to get back. They'll be paying a good proportion of the other side's costs, as well as paying the principal sum if it's a money dispute. There will be all the management time, the sunken costs, the management time, the resources that would otherwise have been used on the project by both sides. So even if you win, there is always a cost because it's still taking up your resources to get that solution done. So in a worst case scenario, what you find is that the parties take the case all the way to trial, and there may be a winner, but there is also going to be a loser. But you can also have situations where parties go all the way to trial, and I've seen this a couple of times where actually they win on the principle of the case. Yes, there was a claim for disruption, it is proven, but actually the numbers just don't stack up. So in the end, you spend a lot of time winning on the principle, but the net return for you, for all the cost and the resources that you've invested in the project in terms of the litigation, you don't get a payback because the numbers don't work. So then, even though you won the case, you still don't get what you wanted. There is still this feeling, again from my own experience, that when it comes to a dispute occurring, the industry still kind of tends to automatically revert to this adversarial approach. And the problem with that, it seems to me, is that there is an opportunity through mediation to nip disputes in the bud really early and get the problem resolved through a consensual process, allowing the parties to focus on their day job, which is just working together to deliver a project, rather than completely bunkering down as soon as a dispute arises straight into some kind of adversarial process.